yeah, I didn't realize I'd be able to do all this. What else can I do with one hand? Go on to the next challenge. Because to me, it's always going to be a challenge, no matter what. It's just, I don't know if I can or cannot do it unless I did it, and then I'll see. Halfway when we're doing piping, I needed to make something to protect my left arm. So then I started using the leather and sewing hobbies that I used to make my own personal protective equipment from the showers of metal, sparks, and all that. So that I was lucky to make that. I didn't realize that this actually helped out with other challenges and projects in the TIG welding part. To me, I didn't know if I could be able to continue on, especially because I figured I'm going to end up hitting a wall. I just keep on going and going, pretty much adapting to everything until I get it right. And then once I get it right, go on to the next. So pretty much if I know what I need, can I make it? If I can make it, well, there we go, it's cheaper. Didn't know I was going to be able to do it, but with the proper techniques, help, and the right equipment too, I definitely learned a lot, especially for the if I do go into welding.